There are physical nature of matter. Two types of physical nature of matter. First, the matter is made up of particles, and second, how small these matters are. Particles of matters are.
Okay.
To prove this, we have to perform an activity. Take a 100 milliliter water in a beaker.
Okay.
Fill half of the beaker with water and mark the level of the water.
Okay.
Put a spoonful of salt and sugar in the beaker and stir it. Then we will observe that dissolved sugar and salt in the water, particles of the salt get into spaces between the particles of water.
Can you tell me what is the reason?
This is because particles of matter have spaces between them.
Because so that's why it's adjust in that water, and there are no increase in the water level. So that's why the we can say that the matters have the space. Okay. Okay. So next.
To prove that how small these particles of matter are, we have to take 2 crystals of potassium pomegranate and take out approximately 100 milliliter of this solution and put it into the 10 milliliter clear water.
Okay.
And repeat this process till 4 or 7 times. And this experiment shows that just a few crystals of potassium pomegranate can color a large volume of water.
पोमोग्रेनेट नहीं, पोटेशियम परमैग्नेट. हाँ, उसको KMnO4 भी बोल सकते हो शॉर्ट में, KMnO4. ठीक है. ठीक है.
KMnO4 can color a large volume of water.
Okay. Can you draw on the board? Can you show the activity? Okay, explain it.
Take 2 crystals of potassium permanganate and take out approximately 100 milliliter of this solution and put it into 100 milliliter clear water. And repeat this process 10 or 8 times.
Okay.
To know that how small the particles of matter are.
Okay. What is the conclusion of that?
We can say that the millions of particles of the small crystals of potassium permanganate which keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles but still can be seen with our naked eyes.
Okay. Means in first beaker you can see there are the dark color of the water. Then after repetition of 8 times there are the very light color of water, but still visible. So you can say that the particles are very small, na? Small particles, then that cannot divisible, na? So okay. And next.
Particles are small beyond your imagination.
Okay.
And the next is characteristics of particles.
थोड़ा सा नीचे और लिखो. पार्ट रेडी हो? एस होगा वहाँ पे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. के नहीं, CS.
अच्छा
हाँ लो।
There are three types of characteristics of particle. First, particle of matter have space between them. Second, particle of matter are continuously moving. And third, the particle of matter attract each other.
Can you write on the board? ऑन वहाँ पे ऑन भी करो, वहाँ पे वहाँ नहीं करो। ठीक है, तो आपने 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक बता दिया, तो जैसे कि इसका जो आपको एक एक एग्जांपल बता सकते हो फिर और लिया।
In this activity, we show that the particle of in the previous activities we see that particles of sugar and salt get distributed in the water. Particle of one type of matter gets into the spaces between particle of another type. This shows that there are enough space of particles of matter between them to fit into them.
Okay. Next, and particles moving
Particles
continuously.
of matter are continuously moving. To put an instance take agarbatti in the corner of any room, and after some time the smell of the incense sticks will spread in the full room, which means the particle of matter are continuously moving in a faster way.
Okay. And attract वाला?
Particles of matter attract each other. Open a water tap and try breaking the streams of water with a finger. This suggests that you can't break the water stream with your bare hands. These suggest that particles of matter have force acting between them. This force keeps the particle packed together closely and
Okay. Means packed together and it is attract
each other.
each other. Okay. So okay, that's all. That's all. Okay. Next.
Now, states of matter. There are 3 states of matter:
Okay.
solid, liquids and gas. We know that liquids are present in 3 forms of matter: solid as ice, liquid as water, and gas as water vapor.
Okay. Means one example is you take the water, then there are 3 steps are you can see in that
Liquid
states.
exists in 3 forms of matter.
Okay.
The solids have definite shape and definite volume, and they are rigid, and their interparticles are closely packed together, so which makes them rigid and
Their force of attraction is more highly, na? Compared than the other state of the matter.
liquid. Liquids do not have a definite shape but have a definite volume, and the force acting between them is not as much as the solids, and it's really not that much slow also.
Okay. It's less than solid but more than
Yes.
gas.
Yes. Gaseous state. Gas do not have a definite shape or definite volume, and the particles of gas are very loosely packed together, and they are not packed together, very loosened, and they are spread all around, which makes them as a gas.
The particles distance is very far
And
away.
the kinetic energy present in the gas is very low.
Okay. So force of attraction is very low in the
In the
gas
gas
particle states. Okay. That's all. Okay, very good. पहले क्लैपिंग आप खुद के लिए भी करो और अपने लिए, ठीक है?
ऐसे
क्या है आपका?
ठीक है,
उसको नेक्स्ट आप स्लाइड में बता देना. वेरी गुड कि आपका जो वो अभी फीडबैक मैं दे रही हूँ, आपका जो ये चीज़ें था बहुत अच्छा है कि देखो आपने अच्छे से 10 मिनट आपका लगा है, लेकिन आपने अच्छे से तैयार किए थे. हाँ, 11 मिनट्स आ गए आपके, ठीक है. तो आपने अच्छा से रेडी किया हुआ है और अच्छे से तैयार किए हो. अब इसी तरीके से एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आप कुछ भी घुमा के पूछ सकते हैं, तो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग रेडी रखो. बाकी मेरे तरफ से आपको 5 में से आपका 4.8 रहेगा. 2 आपका थोड़ा सा जैसे थोड़ा फास्ट जो जा रहे हो, तो कोई बात नहीं, बोलने के लिए तो वो सही है क्योंकि वैसे समझा सकते हो, लेकिन थोड़ा आप हेजिटेट हो रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. फर्स्ट है आपका, फर्स्ट क्लास का, फर्स्ट आपका सब्जेक्ट का फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन था, बाकी सभी अच्छा था. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.